everyone. Uh, First of all, my sincere apologies to each and every one of you because unfortunately we couldn't host this webinar yesterday due to some technical issues in the remote meeting software. So thank you for joining me here today. My name is Ashwati and today we'll be discussing on the topic 3 challenges product managers will face in 2021. So before going further, I would like to get started by giving you a very quick briefing about what Dash Frugal is. So Dash Frugal is a new age digital adoption platform that helps SaaS firms with customer onboarding and dashboard assistance. Our major focus is on offering is to provide B2B business with simplified customer onboarding tools along with a great in-app support. And the onboarding process in Dash Frugal is designed in a very simplified and easy to understand manner, which will enable any user to learn a software uh, either by himself, uh, that like he can do the self onboarding, thereby increasing the feature adoption rate, and which will also help in reducing the customer churn. Also, each onboarding steps in Dash Frugal is guided by a step-by-step explanation, which will make it easier for users to learn and explore the software much quickly. And also we have an option for monitoring the customer journey, like where he has reached or which area does require help from the support team, etc. So that was a quick introduction about Dash Frugal. And now moving on to the topic. We know how COVID-19 pandemic has affected almost all businesses, either small scale or large scale, every part of business and every human life. And most of the businesses have been going through a very unpleasant situation for the past few months. And because of this unpredictable situation, many businesses have also been forced to change the way in which they operate. And also we have seen how many firms had to forcefully shut down their operations and many had to lay off their employees, etc. So as we are slowly moving towards the end of 2020, we can see businesses and the other organizations are slowly trying to come up in order to have a normal business course. And it is going to be very challenging for everyone. And with the help of, and in order to make it easier, every department, like right from sales or customer success or marketing or be it any department, everybody should be working together so that it is possible to regain the existing customers, and also it will be easier to develop new strategies so that it makes it easier to attract new customers. And one of the most important role played among all these roles is that of the product manager, since we know that product manager is the one who is responsible for guiding a product success. So as more and more firms are adopting more into technology and adopting digital solutions more, the need for product managers will also be increasing, and similarly the challenges will be increasing in the coming days. So uh, before going into three major challenges that they will be facing in the coming years, let us see why the role of product manager is so important in any organization. So the role and importance of product managers is very crucial, as he is the one who creates the roadmap and defines the strategy for any product. And we know like if even if an organization is having a very dedicated customer success team, sales team, or any other department, and if a product is unable to fit into the needs of the customer, it is going to be of no use. So that's how important a need of manager is required in any organization. And the product manager plays a very versatile role, as he also has to take care of the present competitive conditions or the market condition. He will also has to focus on the changing needs of the customers, and he should be very quick with regard to knowing the needs of the customer and creating such products which will deliver values easily for customers. And he is the one who has the capability of providing a deep expertise or knowledge regarding the product strategies or decisions that will be beneficial for a product. And he is also responsible for bringing a product which will help the users to attain their values in a very shorter period. So and he's in short, he's a very important he's a very important factor in any organization, because um, he'll have to ultimately guide the product success. And as I said earlier, like most of the businesses have been forced to change the way they operate, and most of them have to mostly depend on technology and digital solutions these days. Their challenges are also be going to increase. So let us look at some of the major challenges they'll be facing in the year 2021. So one of the first challenge is that of the changing needs of priorities. Now the pandemic has brought many changes in the way businesses and organizations are operating. So similarly, the needs and priorities of the customers are also being changed. So when such unpredictable situations are arising, it is very essential for the product managers to realize that the customer needs can be also changed, and he is the one who should be taking care of investing time in order to know uh, what their requirements are. Also, he is the one who has the responsibility to understand and evaluate these changes so that he can communicate uh, any changes to the product team and all other cross-functional teams in order to bring in new features or improvements that might meet the changing needs of the customers. And and he's the one who creates the roadmap for a product. So uh, while such situations like these are arising, it is also necessary to restructure uh, the roadmap or the blueprint, and he should be analyzing the market conditions, and he should be agile in knowing what the changing needs are. So, and then one of the other challenges, the need for being more competitive and innovative. Um, as slowly things are changing and many of the businesses are striving hard to get back to their original position, the competition is also going to be increasing, right? And as many of the organizations are competing at a same pace and same time, it will be difficult for uh, it will be difficult if there is not something excelling, or if a business is not having something unique to offer. Therefore, this might be a challenge for product managers to bring in certain unique features or any any improvements that might help them to stay competitive among all the other players in the market, such as creating features that will help the users to gain their values faster, or similarly coming up with faster innovative cycles so that the customers are able to get their values as soon as they become familiar with the product. And another challenge is with that of the task of adapting to reduction in team size. And this, we know, like the pandemic has forced many managements to cut down their um, workforce. So in such a situation, it is going to be difficult for product managers. Why? Because he is the one who has already decided and allocated certain resources in the earlier. So because of such a sudden fall or slash in this workforce, it is going to affect him very badly. So so it is necessary for the product manager to make use of the optimum use of the available resources and contribute it in a positive way, so that he can come up with new features, and he can also meet the changing customer needs and requirements. So that was the three main challenges which product managers will be facing in the coming year. And one of the important way or method which might help to manage this challenge is by digital adoption. Because we know, like, most of the businesses have completely transformed into digitalization, and they have been becoming open towards adopting new technologies. So as it is going to help them in delivering customer values faster. And also we have seen how many of the brick and mortar firms have uh, transitioned to completely e-commerce platforms. Why? Because digital solutions will help the firms to offer quicker solutions and faster values to customers, which will ultimately help in creating a better customer experiences, as they'll be able to realize their values and goals much easier. So as we are moving towards the end of the session, I would like to take you through how Dashrugal will help in managing these these challenges. So the first challenge was with that of changing customer needs and priorities. So the Dashrugal onboarding software is designed in a manner which will help users to customize their onboarding journey according to their requirements. And there's an option. There are options for making these onboarding journey personalized. And basically, these steps are divided into three categories. And according to a specific user requirements, they can change, or they can, if they want, they can reduce or they can add further steps for their onboarding requirements. So this will help in users in creating flexible and onboarding steps which are particularly required for their usage. And another challenge was with regard to with regard to being competitive and innovative. So Dash Frugal helps in being competitive, getting a competitive advantage, as we have an option of in-app training and real-time support. With this, while a customer is self-onboarding, or he is trying to explore within the software, after each step, like for each step, he'll be having a detailed explanation, or he can ask help from the support team. We have options for seeking help uh, from each steps. So this will help the user to self onboard themselves. Also, he has the option of asking help as and while he is traveling along the journey. And we know that the software or the products that offer faster values are more going to be competent with when compared to that of others. So Dashrugal helps in increasing the feature adoption and helps in delivering faster values to the customers. And uh, the last challenge was adapting to reduced team numbers. So with this digital solutions, uh, it is going to be easy for the product teams or the customer success teams to deliver values to the customers easily, as giving knowledge or talking about a product through one-on-one call or Skype calls are going to be very time consuming and costly as well. But with while digital onboarding solutions like Dashrugal will help you to um, help the customers to learn about the software as and when they are traveling through their journey, which will make it easier for them to adapt to the software as well. As the in-app training is one of the cost-effective method of providing training to the customers. It is also going to be a very easy to understand and cost effective process. So Dash Frugal will help in educating the users about the product and its features in a very uh, lesser time, which will help the user to adopt to a particular feature. So that was the three solutions which we are proposing, which might help you to cope up with these challenges. With that, we have approached towards the end of the session. If you are having any questions or clarification, please feel free to ask. Are there any questions? Okay, so I believe there are no questions from anyone. So in that case, we'll conclude. Uh, you can reach us in the following details for knowing more about us, or if you wish to clarify any doubts. Once again, thank you for being a part of this webinar. Thanks and have a great day.